Hello there, long time no see. Haven't posted a video, I'll be honest, in a bit. But today we are going to a car show. So it's the same people who did the last one I went to, which actually did really well on the channel. So we've got that again. The last one was the season opener. This is the season close because obviously it's getting cold and it's winter. There's not that many car meets going on anymore. But yeah, we're just driving there now. My mate's in his car revving to fuck. I'm having a nice chilled drive. Definitely not. 10 minutes from the event, I'm gonna pretty much vlog everything, and then I'm gonna do a second video on my photography channel, but that's not important on this one. So yeah, I will pick up the camera and start recording shit when I get there. So yeah, I'm at the car show. It's very loud because everyone's blasting music, but let's see what we can go see. Well, what you'll actually hear, because there's music blasting in every corner. Lovely M2. Got a beautiful McLaren. That's fucking sick. Can't lie, that's sick. We got a GTR. Beautiful GTR, Litchfield, and then a Supra. So far, so good. Well, this is Cameron, we all know him. And this is his dead car. This is a dead car. Go on, Cam, run us through your car, yeah? No, you gotta do a run through now. You're here. Hold on, let me switch up. Let me go interview mode. Huh? Let me go interview mode. Right, we need a run through, yeah? Go on, Cam, what's going on?
Right, basically, yeah. It's a stage 1 Seat Ibiza, pushing 140 brake, done the intercooler, remapped it. Fucking interview, mate. Yeah. It's my car, innit?
Right then. Well, there's Cameron's car.
It's a bit dead, innit?
Look at that look.
Brother, where's your car at, fam?
We have a fucking Nissan Juke that looks fucked. Bro, what the fuck? This thing's mean, bro. Nah, that's fucked. That is absolutely fucked. What the fuck? Okay, what the fuck's going on here? We got loads of cars pulling up still. Lovely M3. I love that the security is just taking photos of every car. It's quite funny. RX-7. Gotta love a rotary. That's sick. M2, GTI. You're gonna be able to hear fuck all, but hey ho. R8 starts to fuck. How's the nerves, Cam?
I'm actually shitting myself.
Are you actually that scared?
Of course he's shit himself.
Go on, Cam, tell them what you're doing.
Is this your little vlog of the day?
Yeah, it is. It's my big vlog of the day, actually.
I'm entering the loudest car competition.
They rev the shit out of his car and be obnoxious as fuck.
Yeah, which is what I like doing. So.
But either way, you're getting 500 people stare at your car. You love it. You just love the attention, don't you, Cam?
Of course, mate.
Of course. But the security left the fucking gate, so I was like, fuck it, I'm driving through and I can't park up next to Cameron, so. Here he is, chilling here. You have to blur the plates out, but you know, fuck it. Why are you flipping me off, bro? What the fuck? Dickhead. So we're waiting, and in a minute they're doing. Move your foot. In a minute they're doing the sound off, and Cam's shitting himself. I don't know why though, because you love doing it in public, so just there's no different. No cameras, no cameras. did do drive off a bit weird, so yeah, there's just a big queue now, and it was a bit odd, so we're just going to dip now. But banging meet. Probably going to use this to end the video. Absolutely amazing cars here. But yeah, been a great meet. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.